Hi guys, it's 5:07. My family and I are getting ready to go. I had a massive this morning. And it wasn't expensive. It was massive. TMI. But you got to do your business before you go on this 4 hours night.
Toilet.
So my dad said woke up at 5:30. We wake up at 5:30 at the same time.
4:30.
4:30 at the same time. And couple bitch more on our shit. It's hard. It looks the same. Anyways, we about to go to Chicago, and I don't know. This will be my 3rd time on a plane. 23 years of my life. Huh? Oh. Anyway. Oh man, it's dark. Y'all can't even see me. This light already been dead. It's kind of stupid. We're gonna sleep for a whole hour, man. I don't know how my ass feel about it. But you know.
Fall asleep.
Oh shit. Come on. Ow. Ow. Ow.
Did you your toe?
Oh my goodness. Okay, this reminds me of that one day. This reminds me of that one day I was going to go grab some stuff out of hey. It reminded me of that one time where I had to go grab some I had to go downstairs into the building that we were packaging, right? I had to go downstairs, I had to go down the hall because our room upstairs was locked. And then usually
Down the hall, make a lift.
yeah, down the hall, make it up. So I went up the stairs, right?
So everything closed?
Yeah.
Yep. I think.
I went up the stairs, right? Ooh, did y'all open the door and that thing fell? My ladder. Oh no, hopefully she back. Anyways, I went down straight up the stairs. It was all pitch dark. It was me, Elsa, and Steph. Tell my fat ass fell up the stairs on the last step.
Running?
No, I wasn't running. Bitch, I was blind. That's what happened.
Oh, good.
We just arrived to the parking structure here in Chicago or Indiana. It's called the O'Hare Blue. Oh, it's crooked. Oh, I can't hold it straight.
You can drink a blue sky.
Blue sky. And we're gonna go to the airport right now. My dad can't FaceTime me, but we'll see. So you know, come on. We're gonna look fire. So we finally passed motherfucking TSA shit, and I'm pissed because I think people are paid to be fucking rude and shit. And I'm only cussing this much because I have bad ass temper, and I don't like it when people fucking talk to me like they somebody important and shit. But anyways, hi. We passed TSA. I had to like wait for my shit to get checked double because I forgot that my freaking iPad was there. But we were supposed to board at 7:39 already. It's already 7:30 home. So, I'm pretty sure we won't. I hope so. I don't know. Alright, it is what it is.
The moving walkway is now ending.
Huh? Too bad.
Hayo hayo đường đèn tia lúc chạy thế dù mà xe ai thu chết chết mẹ cả liền đi thật xinh gà thầy con tu bây giờ cần nè thầy ngầu cha bây giờ cần nè nó lùa hay
butter.
You have to poop all day. Just landed. Just landed. One second. La 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 la. Muốn plate plate thế hả?
Là gì chắc là cái này lấy khỏi đây đi.
So hi guys, we are here in San Francisco. The plane was alright. It was very long. That I can say. Let's go say hi to Natalie. How was your flight?
I had to pee so bad. I didn't know to go to the bathroom with me. I'm like,
it's a one person fault. How you gonna have somebody to
each other.
Okay, well I have to go too now. But yes, we made it to San Francisco. It's kind of raining, cloudy over here. I just haven't gone outside to see how it is yet, but yeah, we'll see. Did you guys see Joey on the way here?
No, I came in first.
We'll text him. We gotta go grab their little suitcases. Wow, right there. This is like all home stuff. Look at their building. It's just like boom, 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 boom. It's like lined up like that. Ooh, what is that?
Hey buddy, what time is it over there? I would love to go fishing here. Why you keep looking at me? Look, see, I told her she always want to put me in her fucking video.
Well, you're the only person here.
No, man, you keep saying that even at the New Year. I keep trying to get into the photo.
You don't understand that he's the only person here.
I don't. No, you don't understand.
Anyways, we are.
You better start recording. Your phone by that die.
My phone is going to die because
2%.
I was watching movies all. Look at those houses up there.
Portable charger case. Thank you.
Okay. See, I didn't think that it was gonna be this long. I thought we were just gonna go straight to the freaking. I didn't know that it was gonna take this long to get this dark car. We are here. So far, how do you like it, Bobby?
I like Milwaukee better.
Yeah.
Kinda sucks.
Milwaukee is where the hardest because.
I'd rather get my bumpy roads than this good straight lines. Look, tell us, you go.
It sucks because I want to show y'all some cool stuff. I can't yet see shit.
I think we need to start taking off the back. It's kind of hot.
Oh, do you want to know where downtown is? Downtown. Okay, let's go to oh, tôi đi một sáng đi, đi lẩu nè. Đó, đi chơi đã có không ra hả? Cái tôi không tay lơ, cái tôi là Mexico té ở cái chỗ cái hay nào rồi. You know Mexico looks like that, right? Anyways, we are here and okay, let me tell you something. Like I said, do not rent at Turo because that just sucks. Okay, we got only certain cars, but ours was kind of. I didn't really like it. Honestly, I could just do my camera here. But I wasn't satisfied with our car, and we had to find a way to go to get our car. And we all know that me and my parents, we actually got into an argument, and I was just like, I don't fucking know. And I cussed because this is not Casey vlog. So this is my side vlog. But then we are here in San Francisco. I mean, I think it's okay. It's like Chicago, but worse. And then we came to this hotel. It's the Buena Vista one. See, now look. Anyways, I was saying that. Sorry. Anyways, I was saying that this hotel is Buena Vista, and I thought that it was like hi, but it feels like super downtown-y, like the super like studio, like the ones like in the movies. In the movies, you know, like the Shizhongo camp, but it's like it feels homey to some people, and for me, it's just not that. I would prefer it to be like more. How do you say it? More professional. But I mean, a place to sleep is, I mean, y'all would not even understand how much money we spent for Hmong. Because it cost me like, understand how much money we spent for Hmong. Because it cost me like, $8. And then my mom was like, yeah, we're gonna go find something, even if it's $340. And I'm just like, okay. We got here just my family though, and I won't see the girls until Tuesday. And I'm already crying for them because
They gonna have to go through it.
And it was a bitch, okay? So
They better get the early during the holiday too.
there you go. See, I'm telling y'all. But okay, 3 minutes long. Now I gotta stop talking.
Guys, just look how beautiful this is. We are in Japantown, right? Is this Japan Center? It's like a mall. It's just so gorgeous. Say hello, my beautiful people.
Hello.
Are you guys enjoying yourselves?
Yeah.
Right.
Now we still see flame.
Oh yeah, still see it, but
About 5 blocks.
Hi guys. So we just got done eating. We Ubered here from our hotel. To the Japan Center.
This is like
And then we went to eat. We're gonna go have dinner. And then now wait.
Look, maybe we were supposed to walk in red.
And then now guess what we're doing? Yep, you're right. We walking our fat asses back to our hotel because we ain't got money for Uber. And it's supposed to be a 30-minute walk, and I'm already dying.
Now it's downhill.
So y'all, there's a lot of like homeless people. But I mean, it is what it is. What is this? Like a hotel? I mean, apartment condo. But yes, we are walking our fat asses back because we can't afford for anything else. How did you say? What did you say?
Go back to it.
What? Man, I wish I had vlogged when we went to Vegas. I put those two videos together. Like, we walked to buy one. Boom. Then we're gonna be like, we walked to Japanese Center and we went to go eat Korean barbecue. And every time we always walk our asses home.
I guess we should cross whenever we can.
But yeah,
Dude, I feel like this
here we are. Oh yeah, this is a steep motherfucking sidewalk. I mean, look at that. We're going up. Maybe y'all don't see it, but
This is walking on incline and 20.
you can see.
Right here.
You can see how the cars are parked. It's going downhill. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm dead, y'all. Motherfuckers. Can I just eat in peace? Damn. I'm hungry. Holy shit. Oh my god. I guess this is a good workout. Hi guys, I didn't vlog this early morning, but that's because we were busy pooping this morning, taking time to poop. But letting y'all know, so it's over there more. You're talking about that little prison place? Yeah, it's over there. I think. Well, I think so. Anyways.
Yeah, where is it?
They got a bridge. I'm in the golden blue. But we're here.
That is a place you must go because they have some great fish there. I'm gonna buy a bunch and put it in our storage. Bring to our
And then those are the people that are coming right there. That's Joey and oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I'm gonna take a picture.
It's so weird how if I walk it hurts.
We're here to go to the beach. We're actually gonna go walk on it. Oh my goodness. Okay. What'd you say?
Come on. Consider myself athletic, but I'm not athletic right now. I'm pulling cramps.
You didn't stretch.
I did stretch.
Right there, Josh. Right there.
Josh?
Right there.
Don't miss sleep talk, see? They're on their phones. And here is the leader are knocked out today. She is not up anymore.
Ugly ass. Rise and shine. So we are actually getting ready to go pick up the other girls at the airport again.
You see that picture of you sleeping?
They're always exposing me.
You're ready to go?
I'm ready. But yes, we are all packed, ready to go. Hilton. I think Hilton was first. It was alright. I mean, it's better. So yeah. Okay, so the girls are coming, and I gotta cross this damn street. They look kind of sad. They look really sad. We're gonna have to go do some walking.
I was about to take my first flight. Come on.
Đi bắt tàu không biết tay hả? So how are they going? Là this style? Yeah. I didn't even eat breakfast this morning. That good. What the hell? Đi lộn gió.
Nói lên gió, nói lý hồ. Sợ tiền biết có.
Like we're 2 hours behind. Maybe 2 hours before. We got up at 8. And I was like, oh, they're already here. Let's go, let's go.
Wait, I thought you guys weren't here.
Thế là như là nước sổ nóng.
Nghe chứ?
Bella, yeah, let's shut up.
Where's your car?
We got called a street.
Oh,
Some
you going all the way
street.
over here? Oh, okay.
So let's go.
Fine. I guess I'll walk again.
Tell you about things is delicious. It's not mango, but it's still good.
Okay, we